In this video, we will show you how to change the settings for your cameras with warning lights and sirens. There are available settings on the NVR and the Swann security app. On the NVR, right-click on the live view screen and enter the menu. Then select Alarm and then Deterrent. Check the Light field to enable the spotlight. To enable the siren, check Siren. Then drop down Siren Duration and select the length of time for its duration. Then select Apply to save your changes. Select Schedule to change the default spotlight schedule. To exit, right-click on the mouse. In the Swann security app, tap the Live View icon. Tap a camera to open its live view screen. Tap the bulb icon to turn the spotlights on or off. You can select the light's intensity here. Congratulations, your new Swann AllSecure4K Plus or 4K wireless security kit is now fully set up and ready to use. For comprehensive instructions on the various functions available, log on to support.swann.com and then search for Smart Security System Manual. It's security you can trust from Swann.